Good day, students. Welcome to mathgoodserve.com. And this clip we're going to be going over part 2 of our composite shapes problems, getting you ready for the ACT test. Alright, so the puzzle is as follows. Considering this composite shape we have right here, how many squares can you count? Alright, so that's the question. Alright, so to help us out with this problem, what we're going to do is we're going to break this composite shape into individual shapes, okay? We'll start from the smallest unit and see how we can build up squares starting from that smallest unit into systematically bigger units until we end up with the entire figure, okay? So in this particular figure we have right here, this is the smallest unit that we have. Alright, basically breaking down the entire square into 9 little squares. So if you have one, this is one of the boxes right here, and then you count how many of these there are is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so faster way to do that, you can just count the dimensions of the boxes. There's 3 by 3, so 3 by 3 is 9. So we have a total of 9 of these boxes, the smallest possible box that we can create with this figure. So let's go ahead and write this down. This one is, there are 9 of them. So that times 9 will give us 9. Okay, now what happens when we unite 4 of these little boxes in such a way that we have a square? 1, 2, 3, 4. We get this green square right here. Okay, this is also a square. So how many of these green squares are there in this composite figure that we have right here? Let's go ahead and do the count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a total of the 2 by 2 boxes creating a square. We have a total of 4 of those in this composite figure that we have right here. Alright, so these green box square that we have right here formed by combining 4 of these. How many do we have in this composite figure? We have a total of 4 times 4. Okay, multiply the number these times 4, we have a total of 4. Now, if we combine this unit square that we have right here, if we have 9 of them combined together to form one square, we're going to end up with this entire figure, the 3 by 3 figure. So how many of those squares do we have there? You can see this is a 3 by 3 square formulated by combining 9 of these unit squares. So we have exactly one, which captures the entire composite figure. Okay, so when it comes to the blue square, formed by combining 9 of these in a way that is configured as a square, you have just one. There's just one of them, which is 1. Okay? So what we're going to do is to find the total number of squares. Total number of squares is given by just simply the sum of these results that we have here. Okay, so we're going to add 9 plus 4 plus 1. The answer is 14. So there are a total of 14 squares in this composite figure that we have right here. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. I would like to know what you think. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. If you have any questions or comments about the contents of this presentation, or if you have any math ACT puzzle that you would like us to go over, go ahead and post your request in the comment section below, and we'll be more than glad to assist. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates to the remainder of the tutorials in this puzzle ACT review series. More support resources can be found at mathgoodserve.com. Do check it out. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.